What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we break down the latest and greatest in the world of artificial intelligence. CES 2025 just wrapped up, and let me tell you, it was an absolute whirlwind of innovation. We saw mind-blowing advancements across the board, but one company truly stole the show, Nvidia. Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, delivered an electrifying keynote packed with game-changing announcements. From their new line of monster GPUs to breakthroughs in AI and robotics, Nvidia cemented its position as a true titan of tech. I'm fired up to dive into all the details with you guys, so let's get started. The star of the show was undoubtedly the GeForce RTX 5090. This beast of a GPU is built on Nvidia's new Blackwell architecture, packing a staggering 92 billion transistors and delivering an insane 3,352 trillion AI operations per second. Jensen Huang himself called it a miracle of engineering, and it's easy to see why. The RTX 5090 promises to double the performance of current-gen GPUs, setting a new standard for gaming and content creation. We're talking silky smooth frame rates, stunning visuals, and the power to tackle even the most demanding tasks. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a generational leap forward, and I'm so excited to see what it can do. But the hardware is only half the story. Nvidia also unveiled DLSS 4, which stands for Deep Learning Supersampling. This AI-powered technology takes gaming visuals to a whole new level. It can upscale lower-resolution images to near 4K quality, boosting performance without sacrificing visual fidelity. With DLSS 4, you get the best of both worlds, incredible graphics and buttery smooth gameplay. Trust me, this is going to be a game-changer for PC gamers everywhere. Imagine playing the latest AAA titles at max settings with no lag, no stutter, just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. That's the promise of DLSS 4, and I can't wait to experience it firsthand. Beyond gaming, Nvidia made some huge strides in the world of AI and robotics. Jensen Huang introduced agentic AI, which is essentially the next evolution of generative AI. Instead of just creating content, agentic AI can perform complex, multi-step tasks, making it incredibly useful in fields like robotics and industrial automation. Nvidia also showcased Isaac GR00T, their humanoid robot platform. This technology is designed to transform industries like logistics and manufacturing, automating tasks and improving efficiency. Think about robots that can perform intricate assembly line operations or navigate complex warehouse environments. This is the future of robotics, and Nvidia is leading the charge. Nvidia isn't just focused on robots. They're also revolutionizing the automotive industry. They announced a major partnership with Toyota, the world's largest automaker, to develop next-generation autonomous vehicles. These vehicles will use Nvidia's Drive platform, which provides the hardware and software needed for self-driving cars. This partnership is a huge validation of Nvidia's technology and demonstrates the company's commitment to shaping the future of transportation. Imagine a world where cars can drive themselves, reducing accidents and making our roads safer. That's the vision Nvidia and Toyota are working towards, and it's closer than you think. One of the most exciting announcements was Project Digits. This is Nvidia's smallest and most powerful AI supercomputer, designed to make AI accessible to everyone. It's a compact, yet incredibly powerful device that can handle even the most demanding AI tasks. This is a huge step forward for AI accessibility and opens up a world of possibilities for developers, researchers, and creators. Imagine being able to train your own AI models, develop cutting-edge applications, or create stunning AI-generated art, all from the comfort of your desk. That's the power of Project Digits, and it's truly democratizing AI. Nvidia also showcased Omniverse, their platform for creating and simulating virtual worlds. This technology is essential for developing the metaverse, which is essentially the next iteration of the internet. Think of it as a shared, immersive digital world where you can interact with other people, explore virtual environments, and even conduct business. Omniverse provides the tools and infrastructure needed to build these complex virtual worlds, and it's already being used by companies across various industries. Nvidia also announced Cosmos, a world foundation model that utilizes real-world data for training AI in physical environments. It's a platform that democratizes access to advanced simulation tools that were previously exclusive to large corporations with vast resources, which means more innovation is on the way. This has enormous potential for the development and testing of everything from robotics and autonomous vehicles to architectural design and product engineering. The access to high-fidelity simulations is made available to a wider range of businesses and individuals. This is a game changer and a very exciting development to follow. Now, let's talk about blockchain. While Nvidia didn't specifically focus on blockchain during their keynote, the implications of their AI and hardware advancements are significant for the crypto world. Project Digits, for example, could be used to enhance blockchain security, speed up transactions, and improve the efficiency of crypto mining operations. Omniverse could also play a role in creating decentralized metaverses, where virtual assets are owned and traded on a blockchain. So, while Nvidia isn't directly involved in blockchain development, their innovations are having a ripple effect across the crypto space. We will see further blockchain integration into Nvidia's enterprise solutions in the near future. Of course, Nvidia isn't the only player in the game. AMD and Intel also made some big announcements at CES. AMD unveiled their new line of Ryzen CPUs and Radeon GPUs, while Intel focused on their next-gen processors and AI technology. While both companies presented impressive technology, it's clear that Nvidia maintains a significant lead in the high-performance computing market. Their dominance in AI, robotics, and autonomous vehicles puts them in a strong position to shape the future of tech. It's a fascinating race to the top, and consumers will only benefit from the relentless drive for innovation from both companies. CES 2025 was an incredible showcase of technological innovation, and Nvidia truly set the bar high. From their groundbreaking GPUs to their advancements in AI and robotics, Nvidia is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. I'm beyond excited about the future of technology and the transformative impact it will have on our lives. As always, thanks for tuning in to All About AI Tech. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And let me know in the comments what you're most excited about from CES 2025. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and stay ahead of the curve.